All right, so this is Traffic Cop Stand-Up 1.1. This is the Indoc and onboarding. With me right now is Philip and Brianna. We just finished a meeting following the class assignments and the team assignments. My name is Eric Marshall. I will be the project lead for Traffic Cop this semester. My major is game programming. I am already in a leadership position. My current experience with my major is about 3 years of game programming. I did some work developing some games using, as bizarre as it sounds, Microsoft Access as my API. Other abilities that I bring to this is the fact that I have been a programmer for around about 10 years now. I worked for 7 years as a database engineer. Skills that I'm hoping to have taught to me for this session are to further build upon the leadership skills that I managed to get introduced to during the previous semester. I hope to build a greater understanding of the other disciplines in the game development community rather than just an understanding of the disciples and needs of the programming. I hope to come to a better understanding on how to get other people to work together and how to properly mentor people who are new to not only game development but just development entirely. I have extensive experience with Scrum, used it on a day-to-day basis in the military. I have a rather hostile relationship with Agile. I don't much like it as a post-launch developer, but I understand its usefulness during the development cycle. And until needs pretty much suit otherwise, I will be fulfilling also the role of Scrum Master until we assign it to somebody or until somebody pretty much better qualified comes along that I can foist it off on. Philip?
Hello, my name is Philip Nguyen, and I'm majoring in game design. I've I have about 3 years of experience in my major. I've worked in a couple engines, just like the big ones: Unreal 4 and 5, Unity, Construct. I have a bit of experience in art as well. I did a bit of modeling, very small amounts of rigging and animating, and then I did a bit of texturing as well. So I'm a bit acquainted with that. Um,
Bit of a
I hope
Renaissance
to
man, are you,
improve my
Philip?
skills. I'm gonna
Renaissance.
pretend I know what that means.
Okay.
I hope to improve my skills in engine, so Unreal specifically, and my knowledge of the engine as well. I have put together some levels in the design, and I've worked a lot in Unreal. It's my most, um, I have the most experience in Unreal, basically. I've done a bunch of things in there, and I have put together a couple of scenes in art as well. I do have experience in Scrum, purely as a member though. I was never a Scrum master, so I am not familiar with managing any of that. And I will pass it on to Brianna.
Hello, my name is Brianna. I am a game art and animation student. I do not at this moment want a leadership position. I feel like I don't have enough experience with it, but maybe over time, if it better suits everybody, I can learn to, be in a leadership position. With my current major, I think I have about 11 months into my program. With that, I've created 3D models, character designs, a little bit of rigging and animation, along with some 3D scenes as well. I've worked with Unreal, Construct, a little bit of Blender. I believe that's it, but mostly with the programs like 3ds Max and Maya, things like that to help me get started. I hope to learn more about the actual game development process as well as improving my skills. And I will pass it back to you.
Excellent. This has been the Traffic Cop 1.1 stand up with the members who were immediately available. Thank you for your time.